Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung Guru Music 2 feature phone. So as you can see, this is the box that this feature phone comes in. So let's turn this over to the side and we'll see some of the features that this phone has. So it has a QVGA TFT, a 5.1 centimeter TFT screen. It has an inbuilt music player, there's an inbuilt FM radio, it has a micro SD card slot, and it has a torch, right? And let's go ahead and let's open this up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the seal at the base, and the phone opens up just like that. So as you can see, this is what the phone looks like. I'm gonna take it and put it off to the side. Let's see what else you get in the box. So underneath there is a micro USB charger. So it comes with, it's not just the cable, it has a proper adapter head and all. So there's a micro USB charger. There is a pair of earphones, so that's pretty cool. There are a pair of earphones, and you get a separate battery. Now let me just open the battery up to see what capacity battery this is. My guess is that this would be an 800 mAh battery, but let's just take a look. So yep, it's an 800 mAh Samsung battery. And apart from that, you do get a user manual. All right, so there you are, folks. That's pretty much what all you get in the box when you purchase the Samsung Guru Music 2 feature phone. I'm going to actually show you how to set this up in another video, but for this video, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I do hope you found this video useful. Goodbye.